Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering essentials so the call is effective. Have your account email, exact username, ban date, and any purchase receipts ready. Once done, find a quiet place and dial Roblox support using the phone number in your region or their listed support line. Make sure to note call costs. Explain you are calling to appeal a ban and will provide exact evidence. Say your issue once, clearly, and offer to follow up by email. This shows organization and respect for the agent's time. Once connected, immediately state the ban reason and timeline in 1 or 2 sentences so the agent knows context. Then, calmly present your evidence, transaction ID, screenshots, and any third-party logs that support your claim. Offer to send them by email or upload if requested. Make sure to ask for case number and a clear expected response window so you can follow up. If the agent suggests steps, repeat them back to confirm understanding, and note the agent's name for reference during follow-up. To finish, immediately send any requested evidence through the channel the agent specified and confirm delivery. Do this within 24 hours. Once done, make a calendar reminder to follow up using your case number after the promised response window. Polite persistence matters. If the appeal is denied, ask for the exact policy clause cited and request escalation to a specialist. Troubleshooting tip: if you hit a dead end, escalate politely and document every interaction so a higher-level reviewer can.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.